Well, here I am. It's a little early in the morning. Try out my solar oven. Got chicken right there. Set up. Got a thermometer in it. Here. Unlatch it. Keeps the animals out. Oh wow, it's hot in there. What's that say? Almost 150 already. Feels hotter than that. Alright, let's stick her in. There she is. Chicken. Thermometer. I've got one thermometer to tell me what the temperature is in the pan. One thermometer to tell me what temperature is in the oven. Let's close this thing up. We'll come out here, it's about 5 maybe. It's about the time I usually eat anyway. Stupid latch. Yeah, this thing's a little difficult. Alright, well, that's it. Be back later.